Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on REALME Note 60. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then you have to click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you have to click open, and now you have to click this button to skip introduction, then you have to click not now, and here you have to click on open permissions. Now select AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and now you can go back. Now you can go back again and click start. And as you can see, here is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, it responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.